can afford, but less sugar. Did you have diabetes?
No, no, no.
Oh, so you just control it.
Anything else?
Right?
Yes, please.
San, what do you think about haram food? What is like haram food?
Haram food?
Yeah. What do you think about if you in the other country maybe if you haram food, what do you think about if other people maybe eat the haram food?
I don't care about other religions. My religion is Muslim. So as a Muslim, I don't eat haram food. Yes. I eat only halal food. We follow Sunnah. Allah Ta'ala have given many options for us. So for us, see other halal food, we just if you can't find halal food, maybe if you go somewhere, maybe if you go to Bali,
What was something?
Nias.
Later,
You
man.
can find halal food.
Later. No? Later.
Indomie yet gets delicious because just once per time I have a taste for Bali. Every time they, in Bali actually they ask